Moving on now to a CNN News 18 mega exclusive. Jammu and Kashmir government has terminated the service of 4 government employees, including 2 police constables, 1 teacher and 1 Jal Shakti department employee for their alleged links with terror outfits. This is big news coming in with these terminations coming in. Tejinder Singh joins us for the very latest. Tejinder, can you give us more details?
Indeed, the Jammu Kashmir administration under Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has launched a massive crackdown against these terror supporters who are working in government departments. So far, 50 such employees who have links with 50 such government employees who have linked with terror outfits who were working on behest of Pakistan and ISI have been terminated from the service. Today, the LG administration under LG Manoj Sinha, they have once again taken a major action against the 4 government employees, including 2 police constables, 1 teacher and 1 employee in the government Jal Shakti department by terminating their services. The sources in the LG office have told CNN News 18 that the government has terminated services of 4 government employees, including 2 police constables, 1 teacher and 1 Jal Shakti department employee for their links with the terror outfits. They were, what we have been told, that these people, they were acting on behalf of Pakistan, ISI and the terror outfits and law enforcement and intelligence agencies of Pakistan. And they were, when investigation was done, the agencies have collected incriminating materials, evidence against them. These people, they were directly involved in supporting terror activities across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier, several FIRs were also registered against some of them, but no action was taken. This action against these employees who have links with terror outfit is being taken after the abrogation of Article 370, because soon after taking over as the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha had made a statement wherein he had said that his aim was to ensure that the entire ecosystem of terror network is also uprooted from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and all those white-collar terrorists who wear the government uniform, take salary from the government departments and help terror outfit, they would be identified and their services would be terminated, and after that legal action would be taken against them.
So, all right. Yes. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. But thank you so much for getting us this big news and more details about the sacking of these 4 government employees who are now are a threat to the security in the state. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short